So how do we actually connect our ONIKUMA C1 controller here to our Nintendo Switch 1 or Switch 2, as you can see? Well, it's pretty easy, but what we need to do firstly is to actually find the B button here and also this little button. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little button right here. So now I'm just going to click on the B button together with that little button at the same time until we can see this little thing here is going to run around. I'm just going to click on it once again here. Yep, perfect. You can see now it's going to say connected here, as you can see, most likely. If it's not, just going to the controller here, click on change grip and order, and then basically I'm just gonna do the same again. Oh, it's actually connected here right away for me. But yeah, you need to basically click on this little button here together with the B button at the same time. Just one time is okay. Wait for it to connect here, and you can see now it should work without any problems here, the controller. So you can see it works without any problems here. So yeah, basically that is exactly how I was able to connect it here.